I'm going to share with you 13 websites where you can find kind people that are willing to assist you financially, be it for your business, for your personal needs, or even to help your local community. So let's get started with the websites. So the first website is called Go Get Funding. This is where you can get funding for your personal needs. As you can see here, you will see an example of what we're talking about. Like this says help with Tara's cancer surgery. So things like this, if you're in need for your health issues or for anything at all that is personal to you, you can reach out to this website. And to get started, you click here and then you fill in these necessary forms. You also have to know that you have to be as honest as possible. Your story has to be true for you to be able to like get funding through this website, because the details, everything is highly needed. So it's not just for United States, there are other countries, including some African countries too, that can actually apply for funds using this website. So if you have personal needs that are quite urgent and you don't really have any money to take care of it, you can try to apply using this website. So the second website is called Fundly. This, just like the previous one that was mentioned, you can raise money here to take care of your personal needs and for your community needs also. So you can see this one is for health issues, this one is for club. So you can check out their club and community creative projects, disaster relief, fun and special events, kids and family. So whatever it is you need, as long as it is genuine and you can actually pitch for funds, you can check out this website. To get started, you click here, start a fundraiser. And for individuals, you can sign up with your Facebook, and for a non-profit organization, you start your campaign. This other website, justgiving.com, is another place where you can get funds for charity or for individuals. So whatever it's your need, you have to try checking out this sites. You can see here, these are people that people are already donating money for. It's, you can use it for your business or for your community, whatever need, as long as it is genuine. You can get started by clicking here and signing up. The next website is called Fundable. This is another place where you can get funds for your business or for anything you may be needing funds for. And this is actually for business, because you have to have a proposal that you're going to be pitching to investors and people that come to this place to look for how they can help people. So here, to get started, you click here. You have to put in your email address, and you click here to get started. So in this website, you must make sure that your business plan, everything is available, so that once you make an application and investors come in and they see your pitch on your business plan or your business plan, then they can reach out to you to start donating to your cause. So here, as you can see, pitch, post your pitch deck, manage investors' interest, and get funded. That is the process to get started with this particular site, especially if you have a business. This website is called Kickstarters. This is for content creators. You get funds to be able to boost your content creation and your productivity as a content creator. So to get started with this website, you go to this place, says forward funds, and then you click here to learn more about how it works. And then you see a whole lot of things here you can read through and follow the guidelines for creators and for organizations who are also looking for funds, and the rules to be eligible, everything you need to know. You go through this before you know if you can make application or not. And if you're successful, you can get funds to prove your creativity as a content creator. So before I continue with other websites, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about making money online. The next website is called beggingmoney.com. This is another place where you get to get funds from people, especially wealthy and philanthropists, who can help you with anything you need. They usually pay through PayPal for this particular site, and you must be able to tell a good story, a genuine story, a real story. If you need help for your rent, mortgage, medical bills, or food, whatever, or even to help your local community, maybe you don't have water, your roads are not really good, you can actually come to this site to seek for help. So to get started, you click ask for money. Then here are the instructions. You have to have a PayPal account to be able to get started, and every other thing you need to follow the way, like the donation request, everything you need to be able to make a good application is here on this particular site. Then you fill out this and apply for your funds. The next site is called Indiegogo. This is a place where people can look for funds, especially if you're into filmmaking. This is a site that can help you to raise money to improve the quality of your production. So it has a lot of people here already asking for help, and you can see how much they have raised on this very site. So if you're into filmmaking and production, you can check out this site to seek for funds. So to get started, you click start a campaign for the crowdfunding. Then you can click here and continue application process to be able to get funds from people that are actually coming on this site to help people out. The next site is called fundmytravel. This is a place where you can get funds from people that can help you out with your traveling expenses. Also, it can be a place where you can seek for help, especially if for medical help, for communities, for schools, and for children that may be needing help. As you can see here, there are lots of people that have already asked for help, and their donations are going gradually. So this is a site that can actually help you. So how it works is you start the fundraising, you spread the word, and then you get funded. So to get started, you click start fundraising and you fill out the following information and sign up with them to get started. Next website is called struggleUp.com. This is a place where businesses can get loans, that can get support financially from kind people who are willing to support their business. But you must make sure that you must have a good business proposal, a good business plan before you be able to apply for loans and for funds on this site. So to get started, you click here, you go to get funding, and then fill out this necessary information to proceed to the next step. So this other website is called crowdfundr. This is a place where you can get funds for content creation, especially for children content creation. So you can see a lot of people that have already asked for help and how much they have gotten so far. So this is a place where if you're interested in creating content for children, be it book, be it whatever, especially book, you can come to this site and ask for help to start, like financial help to continue with your project. So to start your free campaign, you click here. This website is called gofundme.com. This is a very popular website because a lot of people use it. People that have issues with their finances, especially when it comes to disaster management. This site is very good because you get people that come here. So you see, once you start with the basics, you tell your story, which is genuine, which is real, and then you share with friends and family. And then you see kind people, rich people that are coming in here to look for how they can help us. So if you're in a situation, a very tight one, you can check out these sites to see if you can receive help from people. So to get started, you click here and fill out the necessary forms. So this next site is called Seed and Spark. This is a place where people that are into content creation can actually get funds. People that are into video making, people that are into anything at all that creates content for audience to see, to enjoy. This place is a good place for you to seek for funds. So to get started, you can click here, fund a project, and then you fill out the necessary forms to get started with this website. The last website is called Ulule. This is a place where you get to get people that can help you with starting off, training, and financing your project, whatever your project may be. But this website is usually for people, like it works well for people that are in Europe. This is where you can easily get funds if you have a project you're looking to finance. And you can see a lot of projects already that are going on this website that they are already financing. So if you have a project that you don't really have much money to finance, especially for people in Europe, you can check out this website and sign up here to get started with them. So with these websites I've shared on this video, you can try to see if you can reach out to any of them to apply for funds depending on what your needs may be. However, I cannot really assure you that it is guaranteed, but this video is created to create awareness for people that are willing to share their wealth with others, and of course for people that are very much in need of help. You must know that you must be able to pitch whatever information you are giving out, especially if you're having a business or you need help of any sort, maybe for your community or for yourself as an individual. So you must make sure that you're 100% honest with whatever you're putting out there for people to see in order to come to your aid. So if you're looking to start up a transcription job, even if you don't have any experience or a typing skill, you might want to check out this video where I explain how you can do that without having any experience or typing skill. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.